Day 5, and today we're going to do a super special restorative practice. So if you normally use a chair, you can still use a chair. So if you want to stay on a chair, grab a second chair, or at least a second something that you can lean on. If it has a back, that's even better. Grab pillows, bolsters, yoga bricks, blankets, anything. In restorative yoga, we hold poses for a few minutes each side, and that's exactly what we'll be doing today. So make sure you are wearing really super comfortable clothing, grab pillows and everything, and I will see you in a second. So we're going to start in child's pose. So if you're on the mat, grab your pillows, grab your bolsters, whatever, and place your bolster lengthways down the mat. Child's pose, feet together, knees mat distance apart, hips come towards the heels, and allow your torso to drape over the bolster. Arms are wherever is comfortable for you. You might want to place something on the back, maybe something kind of weighted, just to really kind of help you feel secure. Likewise, if it's a little bit uncomfortable behind the knees, place a folded up towel or something, or blanket kind of in between the knees or underneath the feet. If you're on a chair, place one chair in front of you, sit on the other chair obviously, and brick or something would be helpful. Same kind of thing with placing our bolster lengthways. So I'm going to have one end of my bolster, if it doesn't bend in half, I'm going to have one end of my bolster on one chair and the other at the top of this chair. That's better. And same thing, allow yourself to drape over the bolster, and we'll hold, so we'll have our face kind of one way and then the other, and we'll hold it each side for 3 minutes. So get yourself comfortable, take a second just to make yourself comfortable. Daisy's going to make herself comfortable. And I'm going to start. So there will be a short bell at 3 minutes. So yes, find your comfortable position. Arms wherever is comfortable for you. So if you're on a chair and you want to hang them down behind you. Well, lay them on the chair as well. Closing the eyes if you're comfortable to close the eyes. And start to just become aware of your breath. Noticing your breath. Using it as an anchor, perhaps. Allowing your body to soften, to relax into this pose. And as your body softens, your breath might soften. As your breath softens, your body softens. Permit yourself this deep, conscious rest. Bell will sound at the end of 3 minutes. then just gently turning your face, your head to the other side, and allowing yourself to rest down on this other side. As Daisy finds her spot. There's a good girl. Closing the eyes once more. And gently making a few conscious movements to ease yourself slowly out of your child's pose, lifting yourselves upright, taking a second and we'll move into our next pose, our final pose, which will be supported fish. So if you're on a mat, just gently either turn over or bring your bolster to the other end of your mat, still lengthways around along the length of your mat. Bring your hips up towards the end of the mat. Not mat, I mean bolster. Bolster or pillows or whatever. And then drape your torso, your back over the bolster that way. So your chest is open, shoulder blades either side of your bolster or your pillows, arms down by the sides. Your legs are out long, or you might want to bring them into cobbler's pose, so bring the feet together, let the knees rest out either side. If you're doing that, please grab some pillows or cushions underneath your knees so your knees are supported as well. For the chair users, same kind of thing, but we're going to swap chairs. So, I know what I'm doing here. So same thing, my bolster is going to go over the back of the chair. In fact, might just lay it diagonally like that. I'm coming to the back of the front chair. Don't know how to describe it. My legs are still either side. And again, I'm going to drape myself, my torso over here. Again, arms are either hanging down or they are by the side or on your body. and just really, in fact, I'm going to let them hang loose. I'm going to be here for about 4 minutes. So please close your eyes if you're comfortable to close your eyes. Otherwise, taking a soft gaze. Make sure your head is supported so the neck isn't kind of too far back. Again, another pillow here might help. Your choice. Get yourself comfortable. And just relax into it. Let your body rest. Deep conscious rest. Letting the breath soften. Letting your body soften. Making any noises that you feel appropriate to release. Find the balance between the busyness of a day and the rest that your body requires. Taking 3 conscious breaths here. And start to bring conscious movement into the body. Moving hands, maybe taking a stretch. Moving feet. And then gradually, slowly but surely, moving off the bolster. If you're in a chair, coming to sit up, or very, very slowly. If you're on the mat, rolling onto one side, bring yourself seated, slowly but surely. Taking a few more breaths. With the eyes closed or open, whichever's comfortable for you. Bringing your hands to prayer position, heart center. We'll seal the practice. Inhale, let's take a deep stretch up, arms overhead. And then exhale, bring the hands back down to your heart center. Bow slightly forward to yourselves. Thank yourselves for permitting yourself this time for this deep conscious rest. I hope you found it as enjoyable as I have. Thank you very much.